This the Samsung Galaxy S20 or the S20 Ultra come with a free screen protector coming out of the box. So I just unboxing this device, and you can see in here it has a screen protector. It's very thin, you can actually see it. It does provide very good protections. You can use it, it's really smooth. You can leave it on, you don't need to peel it off if you don't want it to. Now we're just going to turn on the device, and in here you can see there is a fine line right here. I'm just going to take it off for you to have a look of the screen protectors right here. So if I just try to push it up a little bit, you can see the screen protector is going to come off right now, and there it is. That is the screen protectors coming out there. It's quite thin, it's not that thick, but if you haven't got a screen protector yet, or if you haven't got the tempered glass, you can use this one. It's not bad, it's quite good. Give you scratch free, just in case you need it and you don't have an alternative at the moment. Until if you order one, you probably wait. So there it is. So that is the screen protectors that come with your S20 or the S20 Ultra. I personally would like to prefer to use the tempered glass instead of all this plastic one. Tempered glass always provide you a better field, better protections, and it's much better, and there is no other better one to use than the WhiteStone Dome glass. So I'm going to put the WhiteStone Dome glass on to give my phone a perfect screen protections. So I'm just going to try this on later on today and see how we go with the new screen protector on top of your device. And I want to see if the ultrasonic fingerprint will works okay, or it will works perfectly or not on the new Samsung Galaxy S20 or the S20 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.